Welcome to NanoHub, your go-to channel for smart tech reviews, the latest gadgets, and practical buying guides that make choosing the right technology simple. If you're thinking about learning piano, you might be wondering if the RockJam RJ5061 keyboard piano kit is worth your money. Is it a good choice for beginners? How does it perform in everyday practice? And could this be one of the best beginner keyboard piano bundles available today? I've added a link below where you can check the latest price, current offers, and availability. The RockJam RJ5061 is designed to give beginners everything they need to start playing right away. Instead of purchasing accessories separately, this complete package includes a 61-key electronic keyboard, adjustable stand, padded bench, headphones, music rest, power supply, and note stickers, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for new players. The keyboard features 61 full-size keys that provide a comfortable playing experience while helping beginners develop proper finger placement and technique. Whether you're learning basic melodies, practicing chords, or playing your favorite songs, the layout closely resembles a standard piano keyboard, making the transition to larger keyboards much easier. One of its standout features is the built-in LED display and intuitive control panel, which make it easy to browse through the keyboard's functions. With hundreds of instrument voices, rhythms, demo songs, and percussion effects, beginners can explore different musical styles while keeping practice sessions engaging and fun. The dedicated pitch bend wheel adds another level of creativity, allowing you to create expressive sound effects commonly used in pop, rock, electronic music, and other genres. This feature is rarely found on many beginner keyboards in the same price range, giving users more room to experiment as their skills improve. Another major advantage is the included access to Simply Piano lessons. The interactive app guides beginners through step-by-step lessons, helping users notes, chords, rhythm, and complete songs at their own pace. Combined with the included note stickers, learning becomes easier for children and adults who are just starting their musical journey. If you're enjoying this review so far, consider giving the video a quick like. It really helps support your channel. The included headphones make quiet practice possible, allowing you to play anytime without disturbing family members or neighbors. The adjustable keyboard stand and padded bench also help maintain proper posture during longer practice sessions, making the overall experience much more comfortable. Compared with many beginner keyboards in the same price range, the RockJam RJ5061 stands out because of its complete accessory bundle, interactive learning tools, express pitch bend control, and its extensive collection of built-in sounds. Since everything you need comes in one package, it's an excellent value for students, families, and first-time musicians. Its lightweight and portable design also makes it easy to move between rooms, take to lessons, or store away when not used. Whether you're practicing at home, teaching children, or learning as an adult, the compact design fits comfortably into most living spaces. Overall, the RockJam RJ5061 61-key keyboard piano kit combines beginner-friendly features, interactive learning, versatile sounds, and a complete accessory package into an affordable music learning solution. Whether you're buying your first keyboard or searching for a thoughtful gift for an aspiring musician, this kit offers everything needed to begin playing with confidence. Thanks for watching NanoHub. If you enjoyed this review, subscribe for more tech reviews, gadget comparisons, and smart buying guides to help you stay ahead in the world of technology. See you in the next video.